Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the OnePlus Nord 2 regarding the blast incident. Yes friends, after the recent blast incident, I'm getting plenty of comments on this OnePlus Nord 2. Is it safe to buy this device and should they sell the device or not? Because it is I think third or fourth blast on the OnePlus Nord 2. So if you try to include the charger blast as well on the OnePlus Nord 2, so seriously friends, the OnePlus need to take care about these customers right now. I'm not sure whether they will be recalling the OnePlus Nord 2 units or not, but in the Twitter you can definitely see a lot of users actually asking for the recall of this unit. As you can see friends, after the recent serious blast incident which has happened on the OnePlus Nord 2, so if you just type in the Twitter OnePlus Nord 2 recall, I think so many people they are actually asking for the OnePlus Nord 2 to be recalled. And because even I do feel like a kind of scary to use this OnePlus Nord 2 in my testings, that's the reason I'm not including much videos on this OnePlus Nord 2 kind of intense kind of testings, so which I used to do on every other smartphone. But right now, because of this incidents, I need to be careful with this OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of using the intense kind of usage. But my advice, maybe the new users, I will not recommend at this moment to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 to buy it. And the old users like me, in case if you are having the device, even if you sell the smartphone to other users, there are chances that the phone may get blast in their hands. Again, you will be getting blamed on the blast incident of the other person. So I don't think even selling for the device to other user will be kind of safe. It's like giving the bomb from you to other person, so anyway it's gonna blast. That's what the meaning is. So few of the users, they are actually asking for the company to take this kind of recall. So that's the reason friends, a lot of people they did participate in the recall of the OnePlus Nord 2. You can check out the Twitter and make sure to participate even yourself as well, because we don't want this kind of concerns in the user's mind every time having that OnePlus Nord 2 will it blast or not, and what is the temperatures. Every time you need to keep on checking these things in the OnePlus Nord 2 to keep it cool. So as you can see, so many people, not only one Nord 2, I think a lot of people they are actually posting in the Twitter as well regarding this OnePlus Nord 2 recall incident. So make sure to follow the recall trends. Definitely the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not sure whether they'll be able to recall all these units or not. If they seriously take the customers into the perspective, then they should doing something regarding the OnePlus Nord 2. And this time I do think the all other YouTubers, tech YouTubers, they need to come together to do something regarding this OnePlus Nord 2 incident. Only we can put a lot of pressure on the OnePlus Nord 2 so to make it happen, which is a recall of the OnePlus Nord 2. That's what I'm expecting in this device. So only because of this recent incident, a lot of people they got awareness and they got really scared after looking at this kind of images, which has been, as you can see clearly friends. So after this kind of images and burns and blast, the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see clearly what's going on. And let me know in the comments below friends, what are your thoughts on this particular incident. Do you accept the recall of this OnePlus Nord 2 or not? If there is a chance, definitely let me know. And I did post the community post as well regarding the OnePlus Nord 2 blast incident, and most of the people they did ask for the refund as recall as well. As you can see, 92% of the people they did submit the oaths, and make sure to submit the oaths as well, and don't forget to post in the Twitter hashtag with the OnePlus Nord 2 recall. And I'm doing my best to share the information with the OnePlus Nord 2 users. And not only you, even I do feel scary of using the OnePlus Nord 2 in my testings. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out the Twitter hashtags about the OnePlus Nord 2 and make sure to post as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, see the next video and then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. And before another blast happens, the OnePlus need to take care about this incident. That's what my main idea of making this video. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, bye.